A Sikh engineer used his intelligence and built a capsule trolley in a single night. With that, he saved the lives of 65 Bengali workers. India's most dangerous rescue operation took place on 13th November 1989. In Raniganj, West Bengal at the Mahabir Colliery, around 200 miners were working together when suddenly, due to an explosion, nearly 1 trillion gallons of water from a 100-year-old abandoned mine flooded into the active mine below. Within moments, the tunnels were filled with water and toxic gas. Many managed to escape, but 71 workers were trapped nearly 300 feet underground. At that time, West Bengal was under left front rule. In the first 24 hours, the government failed to begin proper rescue operations. Not only that, there was political tension between the state government and the central government. Because of this lack of coordination, the formation of a joint rescue task force was delayed, and this negligence led to the deaths of 6 trapped miners. The news was immediately sent to Sikh engineer Jaswant Singh Gill. At that time of the accident, he was in a nearby state working as an assistant chief mining engineer at Chitra Colliery, Dhanbad. Upon hearing the news, he left overnight from Dhanbad to Raniganj, a distance of over 200 kilometers. The condition of the mine was extremely dangerous and the rescue workers were afraid to begin operations. At that time, Jaswant Singh Gill stepped forward and took charge at his own risk. He examined the mine's layout and planned a way out. Using steel plates and pipes lying around the mine, he built overnight a capsule trolley 7 feet long and 22 inches in diameter. Then began a 6-hour-long rescue operation. One by one, 65 trapped miners were brought safely to the surface. Gill personally supervised each step of this operation. Not only that, after rescuing everyone, he himself went down in the capsule to ensure no one was left behind. This incredible act of bravery inspired Akshay Kumar's movie Mission Raniganj. For this courageous operation, Jaswant Singh Gill received India's highest life-saving award, the Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak.